Have you ever written an email, proposal, or message and wondered why nobody responded? In business communication, writing is not just about sharing information, it is about influencing decisions, building trust, and encouraging action. This is where persuasive writing becomes powerful. In today's video, we will learn what persuasive writing means, why it matters in business, and how to use it effectively in emails, reports, proposals, advertisements, and workplace communication. Persuasive writing is a form of communication designed to convince the reader to agree with idea, accept a proposal, make a decision, or take action. In business, it must be clear, professional, logical, and respectful. Persuasive writing is important because businesses rely on decisions. A well-written message can help sell a product, convince a manager to approve an idea, motivate employees, attract customers, and solve workplace problems. The first step in persuasive writing is understanding your audience. Ask yourself, who am I writing to? What do they need? What problems do they have? What benefit will they receive? Persuasion becomes stronger when the message focuses on the reader, not only the writer. Every persuasive message needs a clear purpose. Do you want approval, feedback, payment, participation, or support? Before writing, identify the action you want from the reader. One useful structure is the IDA model. First, get the reader's attention. Second, build interest by explaining the issue. Third, create desire by showing benefits. Finally, ask for action clearly. For example, instead of writing, "Please approve this training program," you can write, "This training program can improve employee productivity and reduce errors. It will also support professional development. I request your approval to begin implementation next month." This message explains value and asks clearly. In persuasive writing, features describe what something is. Benefits explain why it matters. Example of feature is, the software has automated reports. A benefit is, the software saves time and reduces manual errors. Business readers are more convinced by benefits. Persuasive writing should not sound emotional only. It should include evidence such as facts, examples, data, customer feedback, previous results, or expert opinions. Evidence makes your message credible. A persuasive message should be confident but not aggressive. Avoid forcing language like "you must do this." Instead, use professional phrases such as "I recommend," "This approach may help," or "I would appreciate your consideration." The final step is the call to action. Tell the reader exactly what you want them to do. For example, "Please confirm your availability by Friday," or "Kindly approve the proposal by the end of the week." Be specific and urgent to drive action. Common mistakes include writing too much, using unclear purpose, focusing only on yourself, sounding rude, giving no evidence, and forgetting to ask for action. Good persuasive writing is clear, reader-focused, and purposeful. Remember this simple formula. Understand your audience, define your purpose, highlight benefits, support with evidence, and end with a clear action. Let's break it down. First, understand your audience. Support with evidence and always end with a clear action. This formula will make your presentations more effective. To conclude, persuasive writing is an essential skill in business communication. It helps professionals influence decisions, build trust, and achieve results through clear and respectful language. Thank you for watching. Try writing one persuasive email today using the IDA model. Like, share, and subscribe for more business communication lessons.